In this video, Jakob Nielsen teaches us his 10 usability heuristics. These are fundamental principles that help us design user interfaces that are easy to use. If you're interested in improving the usability of your own website or app, then this video is a must-watch. Visibility of system status. The system should give proper information or appropriate feedback to user when the system is doing the processing. Accordingly, user should know what is happening on the screen at all times. Match between system and the real world. The language used in the system should be easily understandable by user rather than system-oriented terms so that user can easily relate what is being shown on the screen to real-world objects. User control and freedom. System should permit the user to control as much as possible what happens on the screen. In addition, system should not require excessive user intervention or feedback in order for users to achieve their goals. Consistency and standards. The system should use consistent terminology and design across different parts of the interface. This makes it easier for users to understand the overall scheme. In addition, user-friendly standards can be used so that all components in an interface are designed using similar principles and look alike. Error prevention. The system should prevent erroneous or unintended actions by the user. In addition, feedback should be provided to the user in a way that makes it easy for them to understand and correct their mistakes. Recognition rather than recall. The user should not have to remember how to do something, they should be able to recognize the task and carry out the action automatically. For example, a system might provide shortcuts for commonly used actions. Whenever feasible, instructions for how to use the system should be visible or retrievable. Flexibility and efficiency of use. The system should be easy to use, regardless of the user's proficiency with technology. In addition, the system should be efficient in terms of how much time it takes to complete a task. Allow users to tailor frequent actions. Aesthetic and minimalist design. The system should be designed with an aesthetic that is minimalist and visually pleasing. This makes it easier for users to focus on the task at hand. In addition, using a minimalistic design helps reduce cognitive load on the user and improves overall usability. Help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. The system should provide users with feedback about their progress and errors that have been detected. This allows users to recognize and diagnose errors quickly, so they can correct them without interruption. In simple, error message should be conveyed in plain language, explain the problem and suggest the solution. Help and documentation. The system should provide help and documentation that is accessible and easy to use. This allows users to understand how the system works and understand any errors they may encounter.